Hello friends, welcome to Ranjita's World. So today I am going to prepare one very tasty, spicy, tangy flavor recipe which is puli inji. It is very much famous in South area like Tamil Nadu and Kerala, etc. Puli inji is a dark brown, sweet, sour and spicy Kerala chutney. Puliinji served as a part of the Onam Sadhya and Virunthu by the Tamil Nadu community. So, Puliinji, also called Inji Puli or Inji Curry, a sweet and sour spicy ginger pickle. It has many medicinal value like it helps in digestion, cold, cough. So friends, today I am going to prepare it. You also prepare and have it and give good health to your family and friends. So let's see how I am going to prepare it. So friends, to prepare inji puli, we need some ingredients which I am going to show you. First one is ginger. It's called adrak in Hindi also. I have taken a 150 gram ginger and peel off it. Second, I have taken tamarind. It is a black tamarind which I taken a lemon size shape. So third one is main important part of the puli inji jaggery which I taken 3 spoon. Next one is for tempering fenugreek seed 1/4 spoon, mustard seed half spoon, dry red chili 2, 3 green chili which I chopped properly, curry patta and dry masala, red chili powder, haldi powder, and salt as per your taste and hing. So let's start how to I am preparing. To make puli inji, first we will soak tamarind with warm water. Why I taken warm water to soak it? Because warm water will help it to dissolve in very less time. So now I am going to keep it aside to make it cool down. Next we will chop ginger which I already peel off. So ginger you can chop according to your choice shape. I am going to chop it in round shape and after fry I will grind it in coarse powder. You can chop it in small pieces in like this. What will happen when you will fry this small pieces, so after that no need to grind it, you can directly put in your tadka, but I am going to chop in this roughly chopping in round shape. So let's I will chop it completely, then I will. So now you can see I chopped ginger in round shape. Now next process we have to fry it. So for that I am going to add gingerly oil, it means til oil for 2-3 spoon. So this much, okay. Let it heat properly. So let me check, yes it's hot. So now I'm going to add ginger in this. We have to fry it on low flame. So I want to tell you one thing, this puli inji, authentic South Indian recipe, people are using mud vessels or iron vessels, but I didn't have that type of vessel, so I am using this type of oak. So but if you are having a mud vessel or iron vessel, so you use that, it will very good taste will come out. So now we are frying it on low flame. See, it's almost done, but still for 30 seconds I will cook it, then I will take out. See, now it's done, so I am going to take out in another plate. So I take out all the gingers and I am going to keep aside to make it cool. In same pan and same balance oil, we will make tempering. So for that we need half spoon of mustard seed. When it will flatter, after that we have to add fenugreek seed. Now splattering properly. Next we have to going to add red chili which I chopped there, and green chili and curry patta. We have to make it into small parts. So we have to add. So now I am going to turn off gas because we are going to add powder. Going to add red chili powder, turmeric, hing, half spoon hing, and salt as per your taste. After 30 seconds, I am going to add this tamarind water into it. And now let it cook. And simultaneously we are going to grind our ginger. Now this ginger become cool, and we will grind in coarse powder, not fine powder. Look, this is become cool and crunchy texture. So now I am going to give one pulse and make it a coarse powder. So I grind it. See, like this texture only we want, like this texture. So after cook I am going to add this ginger into our tadka. Now tamarind water boiled very well. On this stage I am going to add crushed ginger, which we fried and make it in crushed powder. So this is I am going to add, and let it cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes you can see it's boiling very well. In this stage we are going to add jaggery, 3 spoon jaggery. We already added tamarind water, spices, so we need to balance taste. So for that we are going to add jaggery. It will give good taste, crunchy flavor also, spicy, tangy flavor also. You can see it looks very good in texture. I will cook it up to when it will release oil on the upper surface. We all knows that ginger, it is very good and very healthy and medicinal value vegetable, you can say. And this recipe, it's basically from Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Here in Tamil Nadu, people are making this inji puli chutney on the special occasion like marriage or any festival occasion. So it's very famous and delicious also, and it is very good combination with the curd rice. See, it's done. You can see the oil on the upper surface. It means it's done. And in this condition, in this consistency, I am going to switch off gas flame because after cool down it become more thick. So it's very good for health. It's help in digestion. It's help in cough, cold. Those who are new viewers to watching my video, please do subscribe and give your support to. You must try it. It's very healthy recipe and make your family healthy, spread happiness everywhere. So guys, thank you for watching my video.